What is going on, people? You join me, maybe potentially going to get stuck going across some grass. So let's have a look and see if we get through. What do we reckon? Should we go for it? Let's go for it. Come on in. First gear. Let's have a go at it. Oh, wish me luck. Wait, wait. If I just make it over here, it's dry. Come on. Giddy up, Gil. Giddy up. Ah, what up? Oh, the problem is, easy, easy. Where's your ball? Where's your ball? Come on in. Come and have a look at this big beauty. She is a beast. And she's having a pair of fronts on. Come on in. Here she is. Let's get her tied up. Get her hay net sorted. And let's get shooting. Look at the size of this big girl. She must be 17 hands. Easy. Obviously it doesn't look that big because I'm 6'5", but standing next to any normal sized person, she's a beast. Right, here she is. She's kindly removed both her front shoes because she was messing around in the field, so that makes my job a little bit easier. But I tell you now, she's a little devil in the field, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do to be able to keep these shoes on, but let's give it a go. Right, let's go. Right, the foot's all prepped, ready to go. She's all nice and level. And let's head over to the anvil and start shaping them shoes. Right, let's see if the shoes are ready. Yep. Let's get to it. Right, so first of all, let's mark what foot we're actually doing. And then we're doing the right one. Offside. Lay the clip up. Right. Get the print shawl. Now let's head over. Right. Moment of truth. Oi. Anybody think I've been doing this for a long time? Right, let the clip in. I've actually lost a little bit of heat in the shoe, but there's enough there. Right, she's all shaped up. Let's cool her off and knock the sharp edges off. Sharp edges all knocked off. Let's grab some nails and head over to her. Right, 6s, they'll do. Look at the mess you made, girl. Give it a little sweep up because she's made one hell of a mess. And let's get to it. Make sure we're nailing on the right shoe. Don't you nip my bum. There we have it, 6 nails. Let's pray to God she don't lose it. I'll tell the owner to put some overreach boots on. That's all we can do. We're almost done. All we've got to do now is clench down, which pretty much means we're going to fold the nail head over. Right, are you ready? Let's go. First things first, snip the top of the nail head off. Like so. Underline them. Clench groover. All we're going to do is take a little bit of the hoof wall from under the nail, just so it sits flush. Clenchers. All we're going to do is in 2 swoops. 1, 2 and in. Halfway, turn in. Halfway, turn in. Finishing off rasp. Knock all the sharp edges off. Nice little underline. Now to the other side. Underline. Clenchers. 2 swoops. 1, turn in. 1, turn in. 1, turn in. Knock the sharp edges off. Now if you do this correctly, run your hands smoothly across. You shouldn't be able to feel the clip, no you shouldn't, or the nails. The pièce de résistance, a little bit of hoof wall. It goes a long way and the owners love it. And we're done. What do we reckon? Are you going to keep them on? I do hope so. You're a gentle giant, yeah. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.